Hello investors and welcome back. Now, take a look at this. Novo nordisk sharply lower. How about the reasons? It's actually the next generation obesity treatment and the perform expectations. And in this space, expectations are everything. Now, let's understand what actually happened. Novo nordisk stock tumbles as next-gen obesity shot underperforms Lilly tirzepatide. They said, quote unquote, patients taking a standard dose of cagrilintide lost 20.2% of their body weight after 84 weeks, compared to 22.6% for Lilly's tirzepatide. The trial did not achieve its primary endpoint of demonstrating non-inferiority of weight loss for cagrilintide compared to tirzepatide after 84 weeks, Novo says. This means something. After Novo released data from its next-gen obesity drug, we can clearly see the result. Solid but not superior to Lilly tirzepatide. In a competitive market, investors, not superior can mean not good enough. But to understand why the reaction was so strong, we need to look at a bigger picture. Okay, now let's put side by side the two stocks to see their evolution. When we look at this, on the monthly time frame of Novo, we can see a beautiful uptrend, the price continuing to grow with a beautiful momentum. But on July 2024, something different happened. The price started falling and they are falling until now. What about Lilly? The same situation. And the same situation also happened on July 2024. The price fell, but the difference is this. At a certain key level, the price regained its momentum and breaking its all-time high. This means something. Competition. Because the obesity drug market has become one of the hottest areas in healthcare. The demand is massive, insurance coverage is expanding, global adoption is accelerating. For years, Novo dominated this space, but now competition is intensifying. So investors, when we try to look on the daily time frame of the two stocks to see how they perform, we can clearly see that Novo lost almost 15% on only one day. And based on the expectation, Lilly gained 6%. Why? Because Lilly tirzepatide has shown strong weight loss results. In some trials, you may wonder, even better than earlier Novo treatments. So investors were expecting Novo next-gen drug to reclaim the performance crown. That didn't happen, and that changed expectation. So one question raised our concern. Why the stock reacted so hard? Why? Simple. Look at this. Novo nordisk dropped to 13 PE, its lowest in nearly 20 years. Buying opportunity or value trap? We can actually see here on this wonderful picture that the price have been growing from 17 to 15, now dropped to 13, the lowest. It means something. Novo wasn't priced for average results. It was priced for leadership, as you can see here. So when a company trades at premium multiples, it must deliver premium performance. Market don't punish failure, they punish unmet expectation. But this is not just about one trial, it's not. Because the timeline overview of a drug is shaped like this. Target, 3 to 5 years. In vitro, 1 to 2 years. Compound, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, 6 to 7 years. One new drug, 1 to 2 years. So drug discovery and development pipeline. The current drug approval pipeline can take approximately 15 years. It is estimated that from 5,000 to 10,000 compounds, only one new drug reaches the market. This raises concern and bigger question because can Novo maintain dominance? Will Lilly continue gaining share? Is pricing power shifting? Because the obesity market could exceed hundreds of billions over time, so the leadership matters. But investors also need perspective. Because when we zoom out the chart, let's go to the chart again. On a weekly time frame, when we try to zoom out the history, we saw exactly what I explained earlier. The price went higher and came down. This one, it went higher and it slightly went down but continued and break the all-time high. The short-term disappointment never said erase long-term opportunity because Novo still has strong products, of course, a strong brand recognition, better than Lilly, and a strong global distribution. So the question is not survival, the question is relative advantage, and that is what markets are pricing right now, relative advantage. So when we look at the chart, Today drop doesn't mean that the market is collapsing. No, it doesn't mean that. Not a crisis, but a competitive pressure. In high growth industries, second place can still be profitable, of course. But in the stock market, only the leader gets the premium. Only the leader gets the premium. So investors, if you like this kind of video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time and have a nice day. Thank you for watching.